So it's 21:30 right now, 21:27, 9:27, and huge rain bands are coming through our area, which is right about where my fingertip is. Yellow and orange mean heavier rains, orange being heavier than the yellow, but it's coming through right now. The eye of the storm is just passing off of the Virginia Beach area right about here. That's a big stiff breeze out there now, honey.
It's getting scary.
Yeah.
It's scary, honey. Uh-oh, something fell out there. What is that?
I'll go out and take a look.
On there. What is that? On there. What is that? Oh my god, that's so scary. Yeah. The trees are trying to get us.
Yeah, the trees are coming through trying to come.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Aww.
I wonder where that tree came from. It must have been the tree that's right over here.
You know what?
Right here.
Oh jeez.
See this tree right here?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You can see it right there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. It's resting up against the roof here. It's probably on top of the house over here.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh yeah, there it is. Yep. There we can see it.
Oh, poor tree.
Yeah.